Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Black Myth Wukong game crashing or not launching or stuck on loading screen error on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. So you need to open your PS5 screen and then click on PlayStation button, and after that select power and then click on restart PS5. So this will restart your PS5, and after that try to play the game and see if it works. If not, next is to check storage space on your console. So for that, go to PS5 settings and go down storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data that is of no use. So go to PS5 settings, click on save data and game or app settings. Now select the save data PS5 and then select console storage and then click on delete option. So after clearing the storage space on console, now try to launch the game and check if this helps. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then settings, after that set up network and then connection. Here click on options, and under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, you first need to switch off your PS5. After that, hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button and enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. So after this step, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check for game update. So you should ensure that the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kind of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you click on check for updates on game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on user and accounts. Now move down to others to the left panel, then select restore licenses from here. After that, select the game and click on a restore. So by restoring the licenses, you can hopefully fix the issue and then try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to delete game's save file. For that, you first have to open settings on your PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here you need to select upload or delete from console storage and finally select your game. So after this, check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This is an important step to resolve the issue you are coming across. When your PS5 overheats, then you should stop playing and keep it for some time to cool it down, and after that try to play the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to change language on console. So for that, you need to open PS5 settings first, then go to system. After that, select language option in the left sidebar and select your current language. Here you need to change the language to English or any other that you want, and after that check if this has resolved the issue or not. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. So for that, you need to go to settings first, then click on user and accounts. After that, go down and click on other option. Next, click on sign out. Once done, again log into the PS5 account after waiting for some time and then check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, first open settings on your PS5, then select system. After that, go to system software, then system software update and settings. Here select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. So this will install the latest software on your PS5, and after that try to play the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next method is to reset your console settings. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and finally select restore option. So this will reset your console settings. So after resetting, now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to reinstall the game. So for that, first you need to highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Next, select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 once and again install the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, the last solution is to take help or TAC support team. So when nothing goes your way, then it's suggested to take help from the PlayStation support. I have provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it on your browser and you can easily take help from the support team. They will try to resolve the issue you are coming across and hopefully you will be able to play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.